Round your city, round the clock. For everybody.
So I've been getting requested to show how I customize my wigs, how I do all that. So that's what this video is. I did lose some footage of some stuff. I think it was me doing my baby hairs. I was doing this side under this side, but I think I just lost this side. I hope I didn't lose both of them. Haven't looked back yet, but I know I lost some footage. Y'all seen the video. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Now I'm about to cut the lace. So I'm gonna get my clips, take the hair. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror that's down here. The batteries are low and I need some new ones because the light is not bright, but it's okay. So I pulled the wig down. Let me fix my wig cap. It's the old one, so it's kind of raggedy. But it's okay though. It's okay. And I don't think I need to scoop that up. I don't need to put any I'm gonna put some color on some foundation on the lace. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna put on there. So I'm gonna put this by this. Ooh, can y'all see that? I feel like a makeup guru with that.
Like that, and then I'm just gonna swipe it on there. You don't need too much. You just want to cut the lace, because you know with synthetic wigs you cannot bleach the knots, because it's synthetic hair. So this is what I always use. I always take it up on the lace also, like the lace I'm gonna cut off, because just why not?
Okay, so now it is time to cut the lace. So usually I like cutting lace with smaller scissors, not these big bulky ones like the nail scissors or the eyebrow scissors, but I don't know where mine are at, so I'm cutting it with these. So I just go down the middle, and I always leave more than what I know I need, because you don't want to cut too much lace off, because if you do, you kind of screw and the wig is messed up, and then you got to find a way to fix the wig, and it's pretty impossible. But
when you do cut the lace, when you leave some extra, make sure you don't cut it out. Cut it in a straight line.
so what I glue my wigs down with is got to be glue, of course. And yeah, take my toothbrush, or you can use your finger, whichever one works for you. So let me show y'all. So I know my wig is going to be placed about right here. Yep, that's about good. So lift that up. I know it's going to be like right here. I just remember it. You can put a little spot if you put a little mark right there if you want to. And then, hold on, it's hurt all in my face. And so after that, I don't have anything to wipe this on. I guess I do. Take my blow dryer, put it on the cold setting, the low cold. You probably can hear me. The low and the cold setting. This is cold. And then I'll blow dry for a couple of seconds, like 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, this one I'll put the next layer on. But since I'm only got one layer, I'm just leaving it on for about a minute. Okay, then once I do that, I take my spray. Ooh, I'm running kind of low, ain't I? Take the spray, and then I just go through for a look-up seconds. And then after that, I bring my wig down.
That's why I need discomfort. As y'all can tell through the blood track, I had lost it.
Scarf on for a couple of seconds, minutes, however long you wanted to. Ouch. Usually this is when I actually do my makeup. Once I do this part. And so yeah, I'll see y'all in like 5 minutes. Okay, so I recorded doing this side of my head, but when I looked up, the phone was not recording anymore. So I'm sorry, but I can show you how to do this side tab. I mean, which I ain't missing nothing. Hopefully I got this side. I think I did though, because when I looked up, I was recording once I got done with this side. Oh, but I don't know what happened. Okay, y'all, so I don't know what happened. I was showing y'all this side, how I did this side of my baby hairs, but I don't know what happened. When I looked up to my phone, it was not recording anymore, so I lost the footage of that. Well, I looked up, my phone was on my main screen. It wasn't even on the camera anymore, so way to go. I don't know what happened. I didn't run out of space because I have plenty of space, but whatever. So, okay, I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments below and I will answer them for you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.